Hello my dear friend, if your Samsung not charging past 80%, don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to show you easily you can fix it. So let's begin. First, go to settings, then scroll down slowly, locate the battery option, tap to open them. After that, scroll down again, you can see the battery protection option or similar name. Simply click on it to open the page. Right now this option is turned on, and also set the maximum 80% mode. This means your phone is only charged 80%, not be passed there. If you decide to turn them off and make sure to your phone is charged 100%, simply tap on the main toggle switch at the very top and your problem may be fixed. However, keep in mind, if your problem is still maybe update related issue, so check any update available or not. So go back to the main settings page, scroll all the way to the very bottom, open software update, click on check for updates or download and install depending on your phone model or Samsung One UI version, and wait to complete the checking process. If you find any update option appear there, simply follow the on-screen instruction to update your Samsung phone to the latest version. However, if your phone is already up to date, this means your problem another related issue, maybe your charging port or other hardware issue. This time you can contact any trusted Samsung service center to fix this issue. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this guide will help you. Please subscribe to my channel.